But you know what modern religious thought became? The more dunya you have, the more Allah loves you. This confusion took over the Christian world and now seeped over into the Muslim world. The Protestants differed from the Catholics in that the Catholics denied worldly pleasure. The Catholics were otherworldly kinds of theology. The Protestants came in and said, no, the Lord wants you to enjoy this world. So even if you listen to a preacher on a Sunday, which I do sometimes, I don't recommend it. But if you listen, you know what they say? The Lord wants you to get a promotion. He wants you to get a nice job. He wants you to get that loan. He wants you to get the new house. He wants you to refinance your money. He's telling you the Lord wants you to get more dunya, because the more you have is a sign the more the Lord loves you. This is a confusion. This dunya is not a sign of how much Allah loves you or hates you. This dunya is a test. It's a test for the wealthy and it's a test for the poor. The wealthiest people in history were some of the worst people. Fir'aun was pretty wealthy. Right? And the poorest people, homeless people, Ibrahim alayhi salam was deported. Someone who's been deported, lost his immigration. Right? And he's been made homeless. And he's one of the best human beings that ever lived. Right? And we're not saying that wealth is evil. Wealth is not evil, but it's not good either. It's all a test. And everything that comes to us from Allah is a ni'mah. All of it is a ni'mah. And we will be asked about each and every one of it. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. The other meaning of na'im, because of the ya in it, is a constant blessing. Blessings that you enjoyed consistently. You turned the tap and water just came out. You opened the eyes and the ability to see was there. You didn't have to file an application every time. They were just made available and accessible to you. So you'll be asked about these instances of na'im. The way that Ash-Shawkani deals with this subject, he says, and the way he ties it together, subhanallah, عن النعيم الدنيا الذي ألهاكم عن العمل للآخرة. The surah began, takathur did what to you? It distracted you. What are the things that distracted us? Na'im. The blessings Allah gave us are the ones that distracted us. If we remember that these blessings will be the things that will be questioned, then instead of these blessings becoming a means by which we get distracted, these blessings will become a means by which we stay on track. The blessings of Allah becomes a means to remember Him, to remember and to be grateful to Him, and to remember that we will be answerable for these amanat that Allah has given us, because in the end, whatever we've been given is not ours, it's His. فَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَمَتَاعُ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Whatever you've been given is worldly utility. And it was given to you, it's not yours. It was, you know when he says, it was given to you? That means it wasn't yours, it was somebody else's, right? It's Allah's, and it was given to you. And it's given to you, it will be also taken away. SubhanAllah. So, ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. In regards to an-na'im for the believer, another commentary that we find is, it will also be the messenger. It will be the Qur'an. It will be the truth. Isn't that the ultimate blessing in this world? What did you do with that blessing? What did you do with this knowledge? What did you do with the fact that Allah blessed you to say Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? That's not a small gift. There's 80% of the world's population doesn't enjoy that gift. But we do. You'll be asked about that too. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ.